Audiophiles, rejoice! Jetour Auto Philippines adds a new variant of its dashing 5-seater crossover that will surely cater to you. Meet the 2024 Jetour Dashing Symphony. The Dashing Symphony comes with a bespoke audio system from American brand JL Audio. The setup promises a powerful, dynamic, and distortion-free listening experience. The first, located at all 4 doors, is a component speaker system that has 2 woofers and 2 tweeters. The woofers, measuring at 6.5 inch, features a mineral-filled polypropylene woofer cone with a rubber surround, while the separate 3/4 inch aluminum dome tweeters have an inline high-pass filter. All in all, it can do 50 watts RMS, 225 watts peak. The second is a 10-inch 4-ohm subwoofer mounted in the cargo area. The sub, with power ranging from 75 to 300 watts RMS, 600 watts peak, has a polypropylene cone construction with a foam surround. It comes in a specially designed enclosure. Finally, next to the subwoofer and powering the entire speaker system is a 4-channel amplifier. It's a full-range Class D amp designed with next switching technology. The Dashing Symphony comes exclusively in a new color, Aurora Green, and is priced at $1.523 million. The new color and speaker system aside, the Dashing Symphony is mechanically the same as the regular Dashing. This means having a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 156 horsepower and 230 Nm made it to a wet Type 6-speed dual-clutch automatic. The bigger news, however, is the confirmation that they'll be bringing in more electrified offerings aside from their all-electric ice cream EV. This is in the form of their first plug-in hybrid PHEV, the Dashing PHEV, Dashing IDM in China. Mating a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine with a powerful electric motor, it makes a total of 326 horsepower and 545 Nm of torque. With a 19.27 kWh battery, it has 80 kilometers of pure electric range, total cruising range of 1,000 kilometers or 58.82 kilometers per liter.